Hello, welcome to a new video. It's been a while. Today we're looking at the only way to use the word only. Let's get started. Have a look at this sentence. She told him that she loves pizza. So, if we use the word only and move it around the sentence, let's see, does it change or does it add extra meaning? So how about this? She only told him that she loves pizza. What does only add here? Well, this means that the only thing she did was tell him. Didn't email, didn't text, just told him. She only told him that she loves pizza. Other examples, he only smiled. He didn't say anything. I only listened to rock, nothing else. I only watched. I didn't join in. For example. Let's move only again. Only she told him that she loves pizza. Only she. What do you think? Well, this means that nobody else told him. Just her. Only she did. Only she told him that she loves pizza. Other examples. Only Mark knew the answer. Nobody else. Only the teacher saw it happen. No one else. Only my phone was stolen. Nobody else's was stolen. Let's change it again. She told only him that she loves pizza. She told only him. Can you guess? Yeah, it means she told just that person, just him. Didn't tell anybody else. She told only him. I invited only my cousins, no one else. I trusted only you, nobody else. I shared it with only my team. Okay, let's change the position of only one more time. She told him that only she loves pizza. She told him that only she loves pizza. Yeah, so this means that she's the only person who loves pizza. Only she loves pizza. She believed that only she understands the problem. They agreed that only this plan would work. We realized that only time could heal it, fix the problem. How about this one? Let's move only again. She told him that she only loves pizza. She told him that she only loves pizza. Well, the meaning of this is that pizza is the only thing she loves. It's the only thing. For example, more examples. I only read novels, not magazines, not newspapers. I only play soccer, not baseball, basketball. I only use cash. It's the only thing. All right. She told him that she loves only pizza. She told him that she loves only pizza. So this is kind of the same as the one before. So the one before, she told him that she only loves pizza. Now, she told him that she loves only pizza. It's the same, but stronger. She told him that she loves only pizza. So it's the same, but stronger. She wears only black clothes. He watches only horror movies. We travel only by train, nothing else. So there you go. If you use only in different places, it can add extra meaning. So only changes who, it changes what, and it changes how. Only she, that's who. Only him, that's which person. Only loves pizza, that's the thing, the what. Only told him, that's the action. So you can add extra meaning to the person, the thing, the action, or which thing. So there you go. It changes the focus. All right, the only way to use only. I hope that was useful. Check out in the description. There are more useful vocabulary videos. That's it for today. See you next time and bye bye. See you.